Hey champs, welcome back to the Riddloverse. Today, I went you in the universe of wild animals where you'll have to find who run faster, wolf or leopard, who swims deeper, shark or blue whale, and many more. So are you excited to jump in the wild animals universe? Okay, then hit the like button and smash subscribe button and let's begin the journey. Here is your first question. Who runs faster, lion or a tiger? Yes, it's tiger. Who has thicker skin? No doubt, it's elephant. Who is more stronger?
A wolf or a hyena? What do you think? Comment your answer.
Correct answer, it's wolf. Who can fly long distance? Did you know that? More dangerous in water? Very easy, a shark. Who runs faster, rabbit or a kitten? Very easy. Absolutely correct. It's rabbit. Who has better eyesight at night? Comment your answer. Always an owl. Who can fly higher? Comment your answer. Correct, it's falcon. Who is faster in water? Celian or a turtle? You got it. Who can live without water for some weeks? A camel or an elephant? Always a camel. Would you rather tap like button for this cute kitten or subscribe the channel to have a cute kitten pet like her? What is your choice? Who jump higher? Kangaroo. Who is more dangerous to human? Tiger or wolf? Always the tiger. Who has stronger horns? Buffalo wins here. Who swim faster in seawater? The shark. Who is more loyal, dog or a monkey? Yes, it's dog. Who has sharper claws? Correct, it's cat. Would you rather fight with this dangerous bear or like this video? Comment fast. What is your choice? Who can change color? Correct, it's chameleon. Who run faster on land, hippo or rhino? Rhino runs faster. Who has sharpened beak, eagle or a hawk? This can be a little tricky. No, it's not hawk. Eagle is the answer. Who has sharper claws? Very easy, lion. Who has better memory? Elephant. Who can see better at night? Can. Who can run faster on land, an ostrich or a wolverine? Amazing! Ostrich is the correct answer. Who can run faster, zebra or a donkey? Horse. Would you rather become a delicious dinner for this hungry hyena or share this video with your all friends? Comment, what did you choose? Who can survive better in extreme heat forecast? It's French fox. Who is much smarter, a dolphin or an octopus? Dolphin. Who splits poison, black mamba or king cobra? King cobra. Who has the strongest bite? No doubt, it's crocodile. Who can smell better? Bravo! Correct answer. Who can spot harder in nature, a leopard or a chameleon? chameleon? Would you rather like and share this video to run faster as leopard, or subscribe the channel to fly higher in sky as falcon? Who wants to be lion? Comment your name. Alright, how many did you get right? Be honest, some of these were sneaky. Drop your score in the comments if your brain enjoyed the workout. Hit like, and if you love riddles, quizzes, and mind games, subscribe to Ridloverse, where curiosity never sleeps.